good morning, good morning. We got the whole night through. Good morning to you.
It's the best movie musical of all times. It brings people back to the first time they saw the show or the movie, and it's just such great classic sequences.
And it's a huge spectacle on this stage,
Yeah.
you know, like the costumes
Yes.
are out of control.
Beautiful girl, let me call the preacher, what can I do? Subway rhythm, it's got me, everybody dance! Out on the great white way.
It's the best. I mean, come on, I get to play and splash, and it rains on the stage.
It's also really fun to watch the audience get ready with their ponchos, because the first 3 row, they're in the splash
Splash
zone.
A smile on my face, I'll walk down the lane.
I love the film. I love Donald O'Connor. He has a million faces. He can do anything. And Singing in the Rain is the reason that I learned how to dance.
Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh.
So the whole story is about being so inspired by love and by friendship that you create something, that you make art. Our incredible romantic leads, Nick and Kate, the romance is very heartfelt. Then they are able to bring that into dancing together. Their partnering is incredible and romantic.
Come see the show because it's a huge spectacle and it's just joy and color.
And it rains!
And it rains!
It rains on the stage.
Come on!